Why, I gave this product 5 stars. I'm glad I bought this. I'm glad I bought this. I moved to a new apartment that doesn't have laundry in my unit. This little machine is perfect for small loads. You have to wring out yourself, but it's super convenient for what I needed. My method: I use warm water from my kitchen sink with a bit of laundry soap. Let it sit for 10 minutes after it's finished. Drain. I have it set up next to my kitchen sink, so I just hold the top and dump water into the sink that way. I don't use the drain hole. I fill back up with cold water, no soap, for a rinse cycle, then I wring out and hang dry. I love it.